Hello everyone, we are in Module 2, Week 2. Please make sure that you read the book. This is the textbook section for each section that you can see. Watch the videos and then do the practice. And you need to do your practice by the indicated due date here, which is usually Sunday of each week by midnight. So for Week 2 is April 4th. And you do have a quiz here in section 2.3. That's also due on Sunday midnight. So it's like 7 questions. You get 2 attempts for each question and you start doing that. And you have a time limit and you will need to do that in a time limit. If you have difficulty understanding any of these concepts, either in Module 1 or Module 2 or throughout the course, please reach me by email or send me a message through Canvas and let me know so I can set up a 101 tutoring session for you so you can understand the concept. Good luck, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you.